All right, hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to screen record in iOS. This is a new feature that came with iOS 11. So first of all, you want to make sure that you have iOS 11 or you won't be able to do this. So the first thing you want to do is go into your settings and you want to go to Control Center and customize controls. And you'll notice in mine, I have screen recording here in the apps that are included in Control Center. Now I'll explain that to you in just a minute. But the way you add something is you go to more controls and make sure to hit the little plus green button so that screen recording goes up there to where it says include. So once you do that, now sort of the setup step is done. You won't have to do this anymore. You just have to do this the very first time. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to go to my home screen again. And what you want to do when you want to screen record something is swipe up from the bottom. And when you do that, your control center appears. Again, this is an iOS 11 function. Now you'll notice in the bottom right corner, I already have my screen recording because that's what I'm doing to record this video. But you won't have that. And what you'll want to do is hit that button and you'll start screen recording. Now, one other thing I want to make sure that you are aware of, and that is that the microphone by default will probably be turned off. So if you want to screen record a video and also have audio added to it, like what I'm doing, just hold down that record button for about 3 seconds and your options will pop up to turn on your audio. And that's it. iOS 11 allows you to do screen record just like that, which is exactly how I'm doing this particular video. So give it a shot. Make sure to like this video if you enjoyed this and add some comments if you've got some questions. And by the way, here's how to turn off the video. Now that I'm done, I'm just going to hit that flashing red button and my recording will be over.